Today's adventure takes us to Lares, Puerto Rico, and we are now going to climb this mountain top, which is called La Torrecilla here in Barrio, or the area called Quemaos of Lares. To me, this mountain looks almost like a volcano, so it'll be looks very tropical and exciting. So let's go check it out. And so I am not sure. We don't know very much about this. None of us on this adventure have ever done this before, so it'll be quite the adventure. But I've heard that it's possible. So it looks like a very cool, pointy tower. Show me. Ya está. ¿Qué es esto? Guanábana. Is it ready? ¿Está lista para comer? Here we go. Come on under, Eden.
They'll be easy for me.
Yeah, you're little.
But not with that. It's not gonna be easy with that.
Come on, bud. We'll get him off over here. Watch. Oh, good.
¿Qué es, Heidi?
There you go. You made it.
Woohoo!
Gracias.
Another technique. Otra técnica, Aiden. Muy bien, Dada.
Él le gusta de frente.
¿Te gustó, Aiden? Pretty close to that size. Aiden, stand right there so we can show how big that tree is. Stand by it. Big this tree is. the side of the hill itself. So it's been a nice, shady, comfortable climb so far, but it looks like it's going to start getting steeper and steeper as we head up here. Let's check it out.
I know. The steeper it is, the less careful it is.
Maybe so. Wow, that's pretty steep.
Yep.
All right, we're climbing up the hill. I've already gotten attacked by the jungle.
No wonder why there's stickers right here.
Stickers! Oh. We're en route right now, climbing this mountain. It's not too bad. It's pretty steep. I wouldn't say it's for beginners, but it's starting to rain a little bit. But that part that we just went through is the main side of the face of the hill that's all open air. It's starting to rain, so hopefully it doesn't get too bad. At least the skies are somewhat blue still, because it will be pretty slippery going down. But we still have a little ways to go into this dense part before we pop out, I think, on the main part of the hill.
Oh, mira esa piedra. Wow,
there's
qué
some
linda.
cool piedras, cool rocks over here. Wow, big. Top of the hill. These things haven't moved in a long time. Well, the weather's getting a little bit harder with this wind. It's kind of a sheer hold on to the grass to kind of keep my balance. Keep kind of low. We're way up here, top of the mountain. Beautiful though.
¡Llegamos!
Llegamos!
¡Lo logramos!
Wow! Top of the world! Wow, look at this. Oh yeah, look at people below us. It's so windy. It's slightly rainy up here.
Mira un río allá.
Oh, wow. Beautiful day. Let's see this.
but it's nice and